Big news from the world of adventure motorcycles: Triumph has just made one of its most popular bikes more accessible than ever. The 2025 Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro is officially going noob-friendly with the release of an A2 license-compliant version, making it a top contender for new and young riders stepping into the adventure riding scene. Previously, Triumph's Tiger 900 series, including the standard GT, GT Pro, and off-road-focused Rally Pro, were geared toward experienced riders with full motorcycle licenses. That left a significant portion of the market, especially new riders across Europe, holding an A2 license, unable to enjoy what many consider one of the best all-rounder adventure bikes out there. Triumph is changing that with the new Tiger 900 GT Pro A2, and the best part? It's still the same motorcycle in nearly every way, except for how much power it puts out. So, let's get into what makes this model a game-changer. At its core, the Tiger 900 GT Pro remains a performance-packed machine. It comes equipped with an 888 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled triple engine, mounted in a tubular steel trellis frame. In its standard form, this powerplant produces 107 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque, a 13% increase over the previous generation. However, for the A2 variant, Triumph first detuned the engine slightly to 94 horsepower and then offered an optional restrictor kit that brings output down to just 47 horsepower, exactly the legal maximum for A2 license holders. But here's the clever part: once you upgrade your license, that restrictor kit can be removed, unlocking the bike's full potential without any permanent modifications. That makes this Tiger not just a bike for today, but one you can grow into, making it an ideal long-term investment for newer riders. In terms of hardware, everything else stays premium. The Tiger 900 GT Pro A2 rides on a Marzocchi suspension setup, offering 180 mm of travel in the front and 170 mm in the rear, providing excellent comfort and performance whether you're on smooth highways or tackling gravel roads. The wheel combo, 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, keeps it agile on the street but ready for light off-roading. Tech-wise, Triumph hasn't cut any corners. The A2 compliant model still gets cornering ABS, traction control, and an emergency deceleration warning system for added safety. You also get access to 5 ride modes: road, rain, sport, off-road, and a customizable mode allowing riders to tailor their experience based on terrain or weather. All your vital trip and bike data is fed through a sleek 7-inch full-color TFT display, which also supports turn-by-turn navigation, music controls, and phone call integration. It's a perfect mix of functionality and fun, giving riders a smart and intuitive cockpit. This A2-friendly Tiger is set to land in dealerships starting July 2025, with a starting price of £14,095 in the UK, or roughly $18,700, a slight bump compared to the standard variant, which retails for $16,895 in the US. Still, that added flexibility and future-proofing could easily be worth the premium for new riders wanting to step into the world of adventure touring. So, whether you're new to the sport or just looking for a bike that adapts with your skill level, the 2025 Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro A2 might just be the most versatile and approachable adventure bike on the market today. It's rugged, tech-savvy, and now more accessible than ever, a win for the next generation of two-wheel explorers.